house. But you said tonight was my fault.
And my fucking sister is fucking missing.
You said the rest of the night is my night. You always lie to me.
And my fucking sister's missing right now.
Alright, so you don't even see how I mean.
Grab my shit. Grab the rest of my shit. I'm not coming back now.
Goodbye, bitch.
We're done.
No, you made the choice. You made it. Fuck you. You're lying. Yeah, call your baby mama. Good. Call your baby mama. That's what you want. Call your baby mama. Call your baby mama. That's what you want. That's what you want. Call your baby mama. That's what you want. That's what you want. Call your baby mama. Call you my baby mama. That's what you want. You always cheat on me. Call your baby mama. Call your baby mama. Call your baby. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. I didn't grab your neck. No, I didn't. Call your baby mama. Call your baby mama. Call you. No, you don't care about me, bitch. You don't care about me. I'm fucking telling you about you, kid. You don't care. Call your baby mama.
Stupid. Fucking dumb idiot.
Call your baby mama.
Can I get my bag?
Call your baby mama.
She's blocked.
Yeah, call your baby mama. You don't want to be with me either.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't, because Leotis, you told me, you promised me tonight that you was going to spend. Oh wait, my cousin listened too. You know what? No, you don't. No, you don't, because I keep telling you not to get me stressed. You know what? Now I'm going to lose this baby.
Had my fucking neck. You told me you never do that.
Yes, but you promised me you're going to, tonight was my night. It was my night. But you don't care.
Here.
No.
Here.
No.
I'll give you the rest of the night.
Go be you. 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 So you don't care. You don't care.
Because you're not letting me calm down. You told me you wanted the rest of the night, right?
No, I didn't. You said you did. You said you did. So don't fucking blame me. You said it.
And I was just going to give you the rest of the house.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
I just tried to offer my phone for the rest of
No, you're not. 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 Because you know what? You always treat me like this. Always. And I told you I didn't want to fight with you. No. Go be you. No. Go. I'm dead to you. Remember that. Me and the baby's dead to you. Me and the baby's dead to you.
No.
Yep.
Baby.
So, now you want me to hold shit, though, right? You know, you treat me like a piece of shit, right? Yeah. I don't care. Hopefully I get sick.
No.
Yeah, hopefully I get sick and the baby comes out.
Are you serious, huh? I pulled this fucking charge.
Baby, I'm already dead to you.
And I'm gonna do that.
I'm already dead to you.
I said that and had a fucking angry because of what you said out your mouth.
Yeah, I said out my mouth, but you know what?
I don't believe it.
I'm done.
Babe, I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I'm done.
I didn't say I...
When I came down to hang out with
And that's what came down and told me to stop pushing me.
You almost pushed me away.
Stop pushing my thing. That's why I took my shirt off.
And at the same time, why do you think I'm down here?
You know what? I'm tired.
There's been time in every fucking thing. If that's the case, I could just stay home at this fucking point and pack up my shit.
I'm not doing that for time. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right the fuck.
Yeah, you can do like shit. Just realized you pushed me away tonight. You did it.
He may have pushed it, but at the same time, he's hearing from his mother that his sister just fucking went missing for 4 days.
Yeah, I know, but he's taking it out on me. So he's pushing me away.
And he's trying to...
Hold tight your tongue, right? But you said tonight was my fucking
And my
rest of my
fucking
night.
sister
So,
is fucking missing.
You said rest of the night is my night. You always lie to me.
And my fucking sister's missing right now.
Alright, so you don't even see her.
Grab my shit. Grab the rest of my shit. I'm not coming back now.
Goodbye, bitch.
We're done.
No, you made the choice. You made it.